Why are you looking at the camera like that? I didn't do my intro. YouTube, what's going on? Your Weekend Gardener here with Al McKinney.
Hi, guys.
You still going by Al McKinney or you changed?
I changed for Evie Sotero.
Okay, so it's Evie, at Evie Sotero. Okay, today's a special show coming from America. You're in America, right?
Yes, I'm in Maryland, America.
Yeah. Okay, so this is a taste test. Someone's eating. Have you ever seen this before?
I think it's a dry plum, right?
Hold it up. Show the people.
Dry plum?
Nope, it's not a plum.
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 The smell?
Mm-hmm. You smell it?
Yeah, it smells something sweet.
Ooh.
But I don't know what it is.
I've had this before.
You had this before?
Mm-hmm.
So what is it?
It's called a jujube.
Jujube?
Jujube.
Oh. It's good? Okay.
You're the only one doing the taste test, so this is different.
Can I eat the peel?
Yes. You can eat the whole thing. You can bite into it.
Oh, I'm scary. This is fruit?
It's fruit.
Seems like chocolate.
Like chocolate? Okay.
Good.
You like it?
Yeah? You don't like it?
Mm.
I like them.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like?
Oh, now it's...
Oh, man.
Oh.
No?
Mm-mm.
What happened?
I don't know.
Maybe you ate a bad part. Because at first it was so good. No?
Mm-mm. No, definitely no. Let me take some water.
Wow.
I think the peel, next the peel is better.
Okay.
But inside, deep inside is terrible.
Well, don't eat deep inside because you maybe there's a middle part.
No, look at that.
What does it taste like? Or what did it taste like before? At first?
The taste is similar like apricot.
Apricot?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I've never had an apricot before.
The beginning.
Beginning?
The second bite. Oh, no.
No?
No, definitely.
Scale 1 to 10.
0. No, one because the first bite, I like it, the first bite.
So you get the first bite a 1?
Yeah.
It sounded like you gave it a 10.
No, 1 because doesn't matter if this first bite is good, if the rest not good. I don't want you eat nothing. I don't will eat this fruit anymore.
No more?
No.
What if we saw it in the grocery store?
No.
You wouldn't let me put some in the bag?
It's waste of money.
It's a waste of money?
Yeah?
My mom loves this.
Really?
Mm-hmm. She said it tastes like figle. Figle.
I don't like figo.
You know, I thought you liked figle.
No.
That's-
Maybe this is the
figs.
reason.
Yeah, so if I got that tree, you wouldn't eat the fruit if I bought the tree?
The real fruit, maybe.
Well, that is the real fruit.
This is dry.
That's how it looks on a tree.
Oh, I never saw this before. I never saw. Well, how? Sorry about my English people.
Oh. So that's it for you? Just like that. It's so good, and then all of a sudden,
Wow.
So, would you rather have the mangosteen or this one?
Mangosteen.
All right, so there you have it. I've had this fruit before. With my mom, we did a greenhouse taste test.
Me?
No, my mom and I.
Your mom.
In the
your mom
greenhouse,
and
we
you.
ate this. Yeah.
Oh,
She loves
I
it.
don't remember.
You didn't see my video? See, she don't even watch my videos.
No, I watch your videos, but I don't remember this.
Yeah.
food.
So she had it. She says she loves it. It tastes like figs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, mommy.
But
Mommy
taste
have a
is
re-
taste. So there you have it. Winner?
Winner?
It's a winner?
No,
Okay, so it's not a winner, so
not a winner.
I don't like it either. I think I gave it I may have given it a 2 or 3. And
Taste, baby.
no, I'm good. And then we got our little taste tester down here. I don't know if you can hear him tapping around. I guess he likes it. I don't know. You think he'll like it?
Maybe.
Yeah, he probably will.
Our dog.
Yeah. Okay. So there you have it. Another unsuccessful taste test of jujube.
Jujube.
I didn't like it. You didn't like it.
No.
So that's a no for us. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.
Oh, peace.